In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix approved Google ads that are not running. It can be incredibly frustrating when your Google ads have been approved, but for some reason they aren't running. This issue can potentially impact your ad campaign's success, so let's dive into how we can check and hopefully resolve this problem. First things first, you'll need to visit Google Ads. You can simply do this by going to your internet browser and typing in ads.google.com. Once you're there, we're moving on to the next step, which is signing in. Now remember to ensure you're logged in with the correct Google account associated with your ad campaigns. This is crucial because having the wrong account logged in is a very common oversight that can derail your progress. After you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This area is where you can get an overall picture of your ad campaigns and their performance. From here, we need to specifically look into the campaigns section. So on the left hand sidebar, click on campaigns. This area is vital because it houses all of your current ad campaigns and their associated details. Now it's time to check the statuses of your campaigns, ad groups, and individual ads. By clicking into each campaign, you can see insights and details about what is actually live or paused. This is where a lot of people realize the source of their problem. Sometimes, even though an ad is approved, the overall campaign or specific ad group may be paused or not active, which means that the ads can't run. Take your time to carefully examine the status columns. Each status section should clearly indicate if something is paused or if there are any restrictions that might prevent the ad from running. It's important to remember that ads can also be limited by things like budget restrictions, bidding issues, or even geographic limitations that you've set in the campaign parameters. If you find that there is a problem with the status, such as a pause or limitation, you'll have to address it to get your ads running again. Often, simply unpausing a campaign or allocating more budget can resolve the issue. However, if everything seems active yet not displaying, you might want to double check factors like targeting settings or ad scheduling to ensure they align with your audience strategies. And there you have it. By following these precise steps, you should be able to get your approved Google ads back up and running in no time. Make sure to revisit this process anytime you face similar challenges. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your ad campaigns.